àwọn elédè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì máa sọ pé memory lane àbí ó jẹ́ kí n rántí ìgbà tí mo bímọ ní mi kọ́ àwa méjìlá bí ọmọ ìgbà tí a fẹ́ mú orúkọ tí a fẹ́ fún ọmọ wa èmi kọ orúkọ yẹn ó wá láti inú ọkàn mi àti bí mo ṣe rí ọmọ yẹn orúkọ yẹn ó gùn ju orúkọ tèmi gan lọ ìgbà tí mo wá gbé kalẹ̀ fún ẹni tó jẹ́ bàbá ọmọ ó bá ní ọ̀gá orúkọ yìí lágbára o ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yẹn ní alákọ̀ọ́kọ́ ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì ní ọjọ́ ìsọmọlórúkọ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹlẹ́sìn ìgbàgbọ́ àwọn àlùfáà ló máa wá bá wa sọ ọmọ ní orúkọ wọ́n rò wípé àwọn ẹ̀kọ́ tèmi kọ́ ní ilé ẹ̀kọ́ nípa bí a ṣe ń sọmọ lórúkọ ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ṣé a máa wá mú atare fún olùṣọ́ àgùntàn ni àbí òbí la máa mú fún olùṣọ́ àgùntàn ní pé àlùfáà wa o àwọn Yorùbá sọ wípé obì ní bẹ ikú obì ní bẹ àrùn ẹ bá wa fi obì yìí ẹ bá wa fi gbàdúrà fún ọmọ wa àbí oyin a máa fún àlùfáà pé àlùfáà o ẹ gba oyin kẹ bá wa sọ pé ayé ọmọ wa aládùn alóyin dídùn là ń bá ilé olóyin àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó kún yìí ni a fẹ́ wú jáde lórí ẹgbẹ́ tí a fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ nínú ẹ̀ yìí olùkọ́ ẹ wò ó kàn ní kí n fún yín ní ìtọ́wò bí nǹkan tí à ń gbé kalẹ̀ yìí bó ṣe máa rí tọ̀ ó kù sọ́wọ́ yín ẹ káàbọ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ti darapọ̀ mọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká rójú yín tó bá ṣeé ṣe o ẹ jẹ́ ká rójú yín ojú lọ̀rọ̀ wà. olùkọ́ ẹ tẹ̀síwájú.
ẹ ṣeun gan ẹ káàbọ̀ sí àárín wa gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ń bá wa kà lọ ẹ káàbọ̀ mi ò mọ bí tí oníkálukú wa ti darapọ̀ mọ́ wa bó jẹ́ ilẹ̀ Nàìjíríà tèmi wà tàbí àwọn tó wà lókè òkun bíi olùkọ́ àgbà ìgbà yìí lóye so tó wáyé pé Nàìjíríà ń bí lẹ́yìn wà ẹ káalẹ́ o ó sì jẹ́ òkè òkun lẹ́wà ẹ káàsán ẹ káàárọ̀ ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́ ẹ kú òru ìtọ́wá bá yín bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ẹgbẹ́ àṣà àti èdè Yorùbá gẹ́gẹ́ bí ohun tí ẹ máa ti rí lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára wa tí a ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ohun tí a fẹ́ gbé kalẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìpàdé yìí we want to create a community for all our learners both our learners and everyone who are interested in joining gẹ́gẹ́ bí a mọ̀ pé ẹnìkan kì í jẹ́ àwádé and we understand that when it comes to Yoruba language is tonal language, and if you're not hearing it constantly, when you say yours, only létí, right? So this is the essence of we creating this club and we reviving it again. So once again, ẹ káàbọ̀ sí àárín wa. So very quickly, we'll just start with this. Just introduce yourself to us. Ẹ fẹ́ra yín hàn sí wa. Ẹ kàn máa sọ fún wa ní orúkọ yín, ibi tí ẹ ti wá, state àti ibi tí ẹ ti ń darapọ̀ mọ́ wa ní báyìí. Then ẹ sọ fún wa ní òwe kan, bí jẹ́ òwe kan tí ẹ ti gbọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ àbí òwe kan tí ẹ fẹ́ràn jù. Tẹ́ bá ti sọ, ẹ máa ṣe sọ ìtumọ̀ òwe yẹn, ẹ sì máa sọ bí ẹ ṣe resonate pẹ̀lú òwe náà. And so I would also like that when you do that, when you introduce yourself, that you can just turn on your video briefly so that so that a máa mọ ẹni tí à ń bá sọ̀rọ̀ àbí ẹni tó ń bá wa sọ̀rọ̀. Ṣé oyè wa bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn? So ta ló mọ kọ́kọ́ lọ? Okay, ẹ kí mi kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀. Orúkọ tèmi, gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ti máa gbọ́ tí olùkọ́ àgbà ń pè, orúkọ tèmi ni ẹni ìtàn Babalọ́lá Ayọ̀dèjì Máyọ̀wá ọmọ Ṣífẹ̀sọ̀. Mo wá láti ìpínlẹ̀ Ògùn, ọmọ Ìjẹ̀bú ni mí, ọmọ Alágẹmọ mẹ́rìndínlógún òní mí, ọmọ Ọ̀gbágbá, ọmọ Ọ̀báǹta. Wọ́n sì máa sọ máa ní pé ìtọ́ Ìjẹ̀bú owó, iwájú Ìjẹ̀bú owó, ẹ̀yìn Ìjẹ̀bú owó, àwa ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. Tó bá ní ibi tí mo ti ń darapọ̀ báyìí náà, Ìjẹ̀bú náà ni mo wà báyìí. And òwe tí mo fẹ́ràn jù, okay, ó ní ó ní òwe kan wọ́n máa ń ní, torí mo jẹ́ nǹkan tó yẹ kí mo fẹ́ràn ìparapọ̀, mo fẹ́ràn ìbáṣepọ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn èèyàn lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀. Bó ti jẹ́ pé mo jẹ́ nǹkan táwọn kan máa ń pè ní introvert, but mo sì fẹ́ràn kí n máa rí àwọn èèyàn náà. So wọ́n máa sọ pé àgbájọ ọwọ́ la fi ń sọ̀yà. Àgbájọ ọwọ́ la fi ń sọ̀yà. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ti lẹ́ẹ̀kan pé ẹnìkan kì í jẹ́ àwádé. Ó ní àwọn mo gbàgbọ́, I believe in systems a lot. I believe in creating systems. Mo gbàgbọ́ nípa pé kéèyàn dá nǹkan lẹ̀ kó jẹ́ pé tẹ́nìyàn ò bá sí níbẹ̀, nǹkan náà sì lè tẹ̀síwájú láìsí pé ènìyàn wà níbẹ̀. Ìyẹn so kò ṣe pé èmi ni ká mọ̀ pé àjọ wà ni, a sì jọ ń ṣe ni, a sì jọ ń dàgbà ni. Ṣé nǹkan tí mo sọ yé yín bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn? And so ẹ ti mọ̀ mí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn nìyẹn, olùkọ́ ẹni tàn. So ta ló máa lọ?
Olùkọ́ ẹni
ta ló máa sọ̀rọ̀ tẹ̀lé mi báyìí? Ṣé mi fẹ́
bóyá
máa
kẹ́
pè
pé orúkọ tẹ́ rí lórí àwòrán yín báyìí.
Okay, so gẹ́gẹ́ bí ó ṣe farahàn lórí àwòrán mi báyìí, mo rí, mi ò fẹ́ ṣìpè o, Mary Olútóòkè àbí Olútókẹ́, Mary
Ó
Ọládélé.
dún bíi ara ẹ̀kọ́ ta fẹ́ kọ́ nìyẹn, ó ń dún bíi Olútókẹ́, olú tí ó tó láti kẹ́. Tó bá ti di nípa àtúpalẹ̀ orúkọ, mo máa ń fà sẹ́yìn díẹ̀.
Mo tiẹ̀ gbàgbé, mo kọ́ sí ìbá pé ká bá sọ orúkọ wa ká sọ ìtumọ̀ rẹ̀. So Babalọ́lá, tèmi bàbá tèmi, Ọlọ́run lọ́pẹ́. So God is wealth ní orúkọ tèmi. Then ẹni ìtàn, well, a man of stories, a man of testimony. Then ṣe rí nìyẹn.
Ó ti yé mi.
Kò mi fẹ́ràn ìtàn náà nìyẹn.
Ó ti yé mi, ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yé mi báyìí ni.
Alright, tí arábìnrin Mary Ọládélé ò bá sí nítòsí tó wá lè sọ̀rọ̀, Bello Ìfẹ́olúwa ṣẹlẹ̀.
Ó dàbí pé wọ́n wà ní kíláàsì, wọ́n sọ wípé lè sọ̀rọ̀. Wọ́n náà wọ́n wà nínú ìpàdé kan.
Wọ́n wà nípàdé kan, alright, ẹ ṣeun gan. Ẹni tó sì tẹ̀lé ní arábìnrin Olúwaṣemílóore Ọmọ́táyọ̀, ẹ jẹ́ kí a rí yín mà, ẹ bá wa sọ̀rọ̀. À ń dúró, ok, à ń jókòó, à ń retí yín. À ń gbọ́ yín, ẹ lè sọ̀rọ̀ sókè díẹ̀ sí i. Bó ṣe máa ń sọ lórí àkárìgbè, wọ́n ní ẹgbẹ́nu sí máìkì, ẹ súnmọ́ máìkì mà.
Ẹgbẹ́nu sí máìkì dáadáa, gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà fẹ́ gbọ́ yín. Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́ mà.
Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́ mà. Mà tí ẹ bá ń gbọ́ mi, mi ò gbọ́ yín o.
Please, can you hear me?
Okay. Yes, I can hear you now. I can hear you now.
Okay, so orúkọ mi ni Olúwaṣemílóore Ọmọ́táyọ̀. Okay. Ẹ ṣé. The meaning is that God has done a good thing in my life.
Okay, ẹ tẹ̀síwájú mà.
Okay. Ìlú bàbá mi ní Ondo State.
Ondo State. Okay. Ibo lẹ wà báyìí?
Mo wà l'Ékòó.
Okay. Ìlú Èkó. Ó dáa, ẹ tẹ̀síwájú.
Okay.
Ẹ fún wa ní òwe kan, bó jẹ́ òwe kan tí ẹ ti tẹ́lẹ̀ àbí òwe kan tí ẹ fẹ́ràn.
Me most of
This
that
is a
I'm
safe
having.
space. This is a
Egg
safe
your
space.
Okay.
Ẹ kò gbìyànjú.
Ọbẹ̀ gé ọmọ lọ́wọ́ ajọbẹnu.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Ẹ parí ẹ̀.
Okay.
You're trying. Still continue. But you're almost done. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́.
Okay, the meaning is that just because a knife cut a child, that we now throw away the knife. That are we supposed to blame the knife for cutting the child?
Okay. And how does it resonate with you?
It just means that when things happen in general, like in life, the fact that something bad comes through something doesn't mean that the thing itself is completely evil. Like, God forbid somebody's enemy, has an accident with a bike or with a car. To now say, all cars or all bikes are evil, that's now saying you want to just blame the vehicle itself. But it's like bad things can happen through different objects, but it doesn't mean that the thing itself is completely evil, so to speak.
Okay. Ẹ ṣeun. That is beautiful.
Hmm.
Ẹ yẹ kó sọ.
Ẹ ṣé.
So first thing first, òwe yẹn ó ní ọ̀bẹ gé ọmọ lọ́wọ́ asọ̀bẹnù, ọ̀bẹ ti ṣe ohun tó ṣe. So and I like the way you explained the meaning, and I really, really resonated with that. Òun ni ó fún àrò kan tí Yorùbá tó sọ tán ni pé tá a bá jí kí ẹni burúkú kọjá, tí tẹ́ni máa fi kọjá, àní mọ̀. Alright, so a lè sọ pé torí pé ẹ máa máa rí lórí internet, máa ní all men are scum, all women are kìnnì kan, all kìnnì kan. Ìyẹn kọ́. Then nígbà tẹ́ ń sọ̀rọ̀, you said something. You said, God forbid the enemy. Ṣé wọn pé Yorùbá ní ló ń jẹ́wọ́ iṣẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn? Kàkà kí Yorùbá sọ pé nǹkan burúkú máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí àwọn, wọ́n á ní ọ̀tá. Kàkà ní ara mi ò yá, wọ́n á ní ara ọ̀tá mi ò yá.
Yorùbá.
So ibi tẹ́ bá wà Yorùbá ní ó sì máa jáde. Ẹ ṣeun ẹ káàbọ̀ sáàrin wa. Arábìnrin Mary Ọládélé ṣe ti lè sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí. Ó máa wọ̀ mí kẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀. Ó máa wọ̀ mí kẹ́ lórí orúkọ yín, fẹ́ kẹ́ fúnra yín sọ orúkọ yín yẹn fún wa.
Okay. Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́ o. Orúkọ
Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́ mà.
Mary Olútókẹ́ Ọládélé.
Ṣé rí mo gbà?
Ẹ gbà èmi lọ sọ pé Olútókè.
Olútókẹ́ ni.
Àmì ohùn. Okay.
It means God is worthy to be, I feel like, maybe worshipped or cared for, because Olu is the short form of Oluwa in that context.
Okay.
So that's what it means. Yes. Then Oladile is where yeah. Then
Alright.
okay.
Sorry, má bínú fẹ́ continue. Ẹ má bínú fẹ́ continue. So kíkẹ́ tó bá náà kẹ́ nǹkan kò mean pé kó pamper nìkan or care for. It can also mean to cherish something.
Okay.
So yeah. So you can say God is worthy to be cherished. But ẹ tẹ̀síwájú mà.
Mo wá láti Ọ̀yọ́, ìlú Ọ̀yọ́.
Ìlú Ọ̀yọ́.
Òwe kan tí mo mọ̀ ní iṣẹ́.
Ibo lẹ wà báyìí?
Okay, mo wà l'Ékòó.
Okay. Ṣé ọmọ Èkó méjì bẹ́ẹ̀? Ẹ yà tẹ̀síwájú.
Òwe kan tí mo mọ̀ ní iṣẹ́ lóògùn ìṣẹ́. Mi mọ̀ bóyá òwe that's what I know. I'm not really actually.
Well, since cutting my slide, then a Yoruba proverb or a favorite phrase, so that works.
Okay.
That works also. Okay. So the meaning and how it resonates with you.
Okay, the meaning is work is the antidote of poverty, and how it resonates with me is the fact that if you actually want to like be able to live a sustainable life, you have to work. Without working, you cannot earn a living. Even if you are being taken care of, the whoever is taking care of you will eventually get tired one day. So at the end of the day, work is the antidote of poverty. That's the best thing to take care of poverty.
Okay. And how does it resonate with you, ma?
I thought that I think I've said that. That's how it resonates with me. I don't know.
Okay, that's good. Esho. Iṣẹ́ lògùn ìṣẹ́. Hard work is the antidote to poverty.
For poverty.
Ó tún mú wa sówe mí tí yóò bá tún sọtọ́ ní pé ẹni tójú ò pa, ẹni tó ń rùn ò pa, dájúdájú iṣẹ́ ló máa pa. So if you do not work, poverty is at the door. Ẹ ṣeun.
May I say something to what she said?
All right, ma.
I love what she said, that even if somebody is giving you money, that person will get tired one day. So you have to stay sustainable. That hits me. So hard. That hits me. Thank you.
Everybody wants a result, even if they don't want it for you to give it to them. They want to see you do something tangible that giving you. That's true. Because at the end of the day, we are all businessmen. At the end of the day, I mean, profit or loss mindset. All right, Eshion. Ẹ jẹ́ kí a tẹ̀síwájú. No, ká tó tẹ̀síwájú, ẹ jẹ́ kí n fún olùkọ́ àgbà wa láyè láti tún fara wọn fún wa lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí.
Ẹ ṣeun olùkọ́ ilé ètò, ẹ kú iṣẹ́ takuntakun tí ẹ ti ń ṣe látàárọ̀, ẹ kú atótónu. Orúkọ mi ni Olúwadámiláre Tèmítọ́pẹ́ Ìgbàyílóye. Ìtumọ̀ orúkọ mi ni ẹni tí Ọlọ́run dá ní àrè. Bóyá ó ti jẹ̀bi tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀, wọ́n wá rí wípé ẹ̀sùn tó fi kàn ẹni yìí ò kò jẹ̀bi o, ẹ jẹ́ ká dá láre. Yàtọ̀ sí ìtumọ̀ tí mo kọ fún wa yìí, ìtumọ̀ orúkọ mi ó tún ní ìtàn nínú. Bóyá ní ọjọ́ ire tó bá gbà mí láyè, màá sọ ìtàn yẹn fún wa. Bóyá àwa náà lè kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ kan tàbí èkejì. Tèmítọ́pẹ́ túmọ̀ sí wípé my own is worthy of praise, like tèmi ó tó ọpẹ́. Ìgbàyílóye orúkọ àwọn ọkọ mi ni. Bóyá ó ní ìtumọ̀ fún o àbí wọn ní èmi mọ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n ní ọgbọ́n kékeré tí mo ní, ó túmọ̀ sí wípé ìgbà yìí ni a fẹ́ jẹ oyè. Bóyá tí àwọn adarí kan bá ti lọ, bóyá àwa tó kù á tù wá tẹrí sí, ṣàlàyé mi yé wa. Torí tá bá wo kíní dáadáa, bá ṣe ń sọ wípé lágbájá ò ṣe tàmẹ̀dù ò ṣe, ṣé àwa náà ṣàfẹ́ torí bọ̀? Kọ́ ló ń jẹ́ kí ọ̀rọ̀ náà kó yé gbogbo wa. Ó dùn láti tọ́ka pé kò ṣe bá dáadáa, kò ṣe báyìí. Ṣùgbọ́n ṣé àwa náà ṣe a fẹ́ gbìyànjú láti ti gbìyànjú ẹ wò má jẹ́ kí n sọ̀rọ̀ jù. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹnu dùn wakọ̀. Mo ti kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ púpọ̀ lónìí o. Mo ti kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ lọ́tùn lósì. Ẹ ṣeun olùkọ́. Ọ̀rọ̀ tí ó dàbí ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá tí mi fẹ́ pè lóòwò dẹ̀ lè jẹ́ òwe ni wípé ibi tí ẹ jẹ́ kí n tún sọ, ẹni tí à ń bá nájà ni à ń wò. Ẹni tí à ń bá nájà ni à ń wò, a kì í wo ariwo ọjà. Bí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí àbí òwe yìí bó ṣe yé èmi ni wípé ṣé rí ní ayé tí gbogbo wa wà yìí, ariwo lọ́tún, ariwo lósì, ó fẹ́ síbi tí a fẹ́ yí sí tí a ní máa gbọ́n kankan tí bóyá eléyìí tó ń ru wá lọ́kàn sókè láti lọ sí ibi gíga, tàbí eléyìí tó lè mú ìrẹ̀wẹ̀sì ọkàn bá àyàn pé ó mà wá ga o, eléyìí ń ṣẹlẹ̀, tòun ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Ṣé rí Ọlọ́run tó dá gbogbo wa, ó ti mọ bí ìrìn àjò ayé wa bó ṣe máa rí. God knows our path in life to greatness. Ṣé rí ẹlòmíì irú ló máa tà tó máa fi succeed. Ẹlòmíì tó ní PhD, hey God abeg o. Ẹlòmíì tó ní PhD, ó ní bá wà successful tó ẹni tó ń tarú. Ẹni tó ń tarú yẹn tó wá gbájúmọ́ irú ẹ̀ tó ń tà, tó bá gbájúmọ́, ó ṣeé ṣe kí àṣeyọrí kó má jìnnà sí rẹ̀ níbẹ̀. Nǹkan tí èmi fi ń rìn àjò tèmi nìyẹn. Ní gbogbo ariwo tó wà káàkiri ní ayé yìí mo gbájúmọ́ Ọlọ́run tó rán mi níṣẹ́. So Ọlọ́run ni èmi bá nájà, kì í ṣe oríṣiríṣi ariwo tó wà lọ́tún tó wà lósì. orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà ni mo ti kúrò wá síbi tí mo wà yìí, ìlú Canada ni mo wà báyìí. Mo wá láti ìpínlẹ̀ Ògùn ní Ọ̀dẹ́dá ìlà Sàdọrẹ̀. Ṣé ẹ rí oríkì ìlú wa mi ì mọ̀ torí dádì mi ì bá wọn gbé, mọ́mì mi ì bá wọn gbé, ìyá mi ni mo bá gbé, ìyá mi dẹ̀ ń gbé ní àwọn wá láti ìlú Èkìtì. Ẹ mọ̀ pé ṣebí father's land ni ọmọ, kò ṣebi tí ìyá ẹ̀ ti wá. Mọ́mì mi kẹ̀dẹ̀rẹ́ gan, wọ́n tún lọ Benin náà ní dádì wọn. Ìrìn àjò yẹn lọ, ká má fọ̀rọ̀ gùn, èmi ò móríkì ilé wa o, wọn kọ́ mi, ṣùgbọ́n màá ṣèwádìí sí pé a gbọ́dọ̀ mọ̀ kémi náà kí lè bó tiẹ̀ ṣe làbí mẹ́rin kí lè sọ bí ọ̀gá mi ṣe sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan. Kí lẹ tún ní ká ṣe o, kí lẹ tún ní ká ṣe. Yà, ó dà kí mo ti dáhùn gbogbo ìbéèrè yín sà. Ẹ ṣeun bàbá, mo dúpẹ́ o.
Ẹ ṣé gan ma, ẹ káàbọ̀ ma. Ó ní ọ̀rọ̀ kan tí ẹ sọ tí mo tún dì mú, tí mo yìí ń bá ọ̀rẹ́ mi kan sọ láàárọ̀ ẹ̀ ni ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ sọ pé ẹlòmíì ó lè jẹ́ irú ló máa tà tó fi máa là. For the past fún nǹkan bí ọ̀sẹ̀ méjì sẹ́yìn báyìí, ó ní fídíò kan tí ó lọ viral gan lórí TikTok. It's about one prom night in 2008 tí ọkùnrin kan wọn àtàwọn rẹ̀ wọ́n wà pàtí inú wọn kàn kọrin tí olórin yẹn ń kọ. And 2008 ó kọ̀ jí láàárọ̀ ọjọ́ kan ó rí pé òun trend lórí TikTok. Followers ẹ̀ ó move láti 400 and something ó ti ní hundreds of thousands of followers lórí TikTok báyìí. Ó dá mi lójú pé ó máa gbówó lọ́wọ́ TikTok lóṣù yìí, kò sí ni. Now kò rú tẹ́lẹ̀, ìgbà tó máa kí happy new year lọ́dún yìí kò rú pé bí àwọn máa trend kò nǹkan tó ṣe ní 2008. So bí ẹ bọ̀ tẹ́ sọ ẹni tí àǹbáńjà là ń wò, so bó bá tiẹ̀ jọra wọn ní ìsìn ká ṣe tẹ́límọ́ ní tá à ń bá nájà. Ẹ ṣeun mà. Ní ìtẹ̀síwájú ohun tí mo ti ní bíbá ni mo fẹ́ mọ̀ nípa ìrìn àjò ẹ̀kọ́ Yorùbá yín. Share your language journey with us. What inspired you to learn Yoruba? Kí ló mú ní ẹ̀kọ́ pé okay, mo fẹ́ kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ èdè Yorùbá, mi. Then share your triumphs with us, your favorite achievements or moments when you felt proud, like you did something like yes, kí ni mo mọ̀ sọ, or of your progress. Then what are the setbacks? Kí ni àwọn ìdojúkọ tí ẹ ní? So this is a community. We're trying to build a community, and we want to learn from you, and we also want to help you out to learn faster and to learn effectively. Èmi á bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ọmọ Yorùbá ni mí. Bó tẹ̀ jẹ́ pé ọmọ Ìjẹ̀bú ni mí, mo sì máa mo fẹ́ kọ́. Ṣùgbọ́n tẹ́ ẹ bá sọ Ìjẹ̀bú sí mi, ẹ lè tà mí. Torí wípé ibi tí mo gbé dàgbà wọn kì í sọ Ìjẹ̀bú. Grandma mi gan tí bá lọ kí wọn, olóyìnbó ni wọn, àwọn ní thanks so much. So mi ò gbọ́ Ìjẹ̀bú, mi ò fi nígbà tí mò ń dàgbà mi ò kí ń sọ. Yorùbá làwọn bí mi fi tọ́ mi o. Mo kọ̀ wò sùsù nígbà tí mo wọ GSS 1, mo ní mi ò sọ Yorùbá mọ́, English mo fẹ́ máa sọ. Mo tún sọ fún dájú mi pé tó bá ti wá mú mi nílé ìwé, wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ bá mi sọ Yorùbá, mo fẹ́ kẹ́nìbọ̀dì mọ̀ pé mo gbọ́ Yorùbá. Yọ di ìjọ kan tí ìjọ tí à ń lọ tí mo gbé dàgbà, a máa ń ṣe children harvest. So children harvest yẹn àwọn ọmọdé ló máa ṣe ìsìn láti ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ dé òpin. Wọ́n wá ní kí wá ka lẹ́sìn ní Yorùbá. Mo ṣáà rí pé mò ń ka lẹ́sìn yẹn, everybody dẹ̀ ń rẹ́rìn. Mo lè ka Yorùbá, èmi mo kò lè sáyẹ̀ pé mi ò ní sọ. Mi ò mọ̀ ńgbà yẹn pé Yorùbá language is tone out. Téèyàn bá sọ for a very long time, ahọ́n wa kò ní bá mu mọ́. Mo wá ń ka Yorùbá bí ègùn. Adúpẹ́ mi jẹ́ ṣe tó ní Paul sì bẹ ìbẹ́pẹ alàgbà jù kan sí wa. Ọ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ sọ ní pé Paul sì bẹ ìbẹ́pẹ alàgbà jù kan sí wa. Ṣùgbọ́n oríṣiríṣi ohun tí mo ṣàìpé wọ́n bẹ̀ sí ní rẹ̀rìn orí mi bá gbóná pé irọ́ Yorùbá yìí mo máa kà á, mo sì máa mọ̀ ọ́n. Èmi sì rèé, mo lọ sí ilé ẹ̀kọ́ gíga, mo lọ kọ́ Yorùbá education tiẹ̀ ni mo ṣe. Ṣùgbọ́n nígbà tí màá débi kan ní 300 level, mo bira mi pé ta ló gbéṣẹ́ rán mi. Mo rántí pé kí n tó wọ 100 level, mi ò mọ àmì ohùn. Màmá mi ló kọ́ mi. Ọlọ́run ní kí mo bí nǹkan kọ́ mi kí n tó wọlé. tó ní bàtà 100 level wọ́n kọ́ wá yunifásitì o wọ́n ní ìwọ tó fẹ́ wá ṣe Yorùbá tó màmí òun kí ló ń wá kiri. So àwọn ìdojúkọ tí mo dojú pa nìyẹn mo lè pé nísìnyí mo record video kan ní ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí náà ni mo gbé sórí ayélujára and mo wá fídíò yẹn mo wo bí márùn-ún kí tó post ẹ̀ ń pè Yorùbá mi ló dán báyìí mi ò máa sọ èdè òyìnbó yẹn kan báyìí kò sínú ẹ̀ orí mi wú pé and I felt motivated to do more. So this is just to tell you that as you are learning Yoruba language, the fear will come. Because I was discussing with someone 2 days ago about the fact that even I want to man tabon, need a guessing, to man tabon. Most of the time, about being only no one, so correct. But the confidence, so the fear will come. Bon, Ashima son on what worrying, what washi yo. The more tabashin saucy, the more we get better. So it's not a mini ta ló fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ka bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti ọ̀dọ̀ arábìnrin Olúwaṣemílóore. Can you share your language learning journey with us? Thank you. Ṣé wà ń bẹ̀? In case the bá ń sọ̀rọ̀, gbọ́ yín o, your mic is still muted. Hello. Okay, bí a wọ̀ sí nítòsí. Arábìnrin Olútókẹ́, ṣé ẹ lè bá wa gbẹ́nu sí mic bá wa sọ̀rọ̀?
I don't think I'm clear yet with the question.
Oh, okay. So what we're trying to say is the question is about your language learning journey. What inspired you to say, I want to learn Yoruba language? And while learning it, what are your favorite moments that you felt proud of yourself? You felt proud of your progress? And what are the challenges you faced so far while learning this language?
Okay. So, truth be told, I did plan to study Yoruba initially. I was not, I think what happened is this. My journey was something of, I would say my mom was the one actually. So I applied for a course and I was not given the course. Then she was the one that went to the school and they told her that Yoruba is available. And she did not call me to ask me. And she just came to change it to Yoruba for me and came on to tell me. I was very angry and I did not even resume for the first months in that school. I'm not going anywhere. Because I was so shy to even tell my
friends. You did not resume school for 1 month. I'm liking this story. You should be my guest. Language Connect. Come and share the food gist.
So I was angry. How would I even tell my friends that I got admission and I'm going to study Yoruba? Like, so. But eventually, one of my other sisters called me to speak to me that she does go, that I can take jam next day, that she does start. So I started and it was worse than I expected because I could not even speak Yoruba very well at the time. Because my mom does not speak Yoruba to me in my house. Although my mom is a Yoruba teacher, I feel that was what made her to say, let her daughter do Yoruba. I feel that's what she did. So, but I could not. So, getting there, anytime I try to speak, everybody will start laughing. It was like they're ready to wait for me to say anything. Yeah, right. So that then later on, I was like, if I'm going to be here, then I need to do better. So I made it. I made sure that I was intentional about the journey and just tried my best to come out here. And funny enough, those people were laughing at me. I got praised than them and I finished with a 2-1. Then with the yes, so that was it. And okay, after NYC, I tried to look for a job. I didn't get. I said maybe I should go and try teaching Yoruba. And my first interview, they asked questions that we showed that my Yoruba was not still sound yet. but I tried my best and I also got the job. And
Oh.
Wow.
then, although I'm Yoruba again fully, but it's something
Yeah.
I do for now. I have some friends that can just call me, that can also, and I speak to. I just teach them what they do. So that's what I do.
Oh,
So
that's beautiful.
yes, sir.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful. I like your story. I like your story. That's beautiful. I just want to now add that, hey, ọmọ Yorùbá ni mí, mo ní H factor, mo ti try àti yọ but mi ò lè yọ but ẹ bá mi manage ẹ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Olùkọ́,
Let's add that.
ìgbà tí mo dé Canada ni mo tó realize pé
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni
mo
mà.
ní H factor. Mi ò mọ̀ pé mo ní H factor. I'm not joking. Me more.
Oh, wow.
Mama, child, I didn't know. Like, I got to realize by myself, but really, shape money H factor. Another one, I think there's another one like, damn, Larry, you need to brace, like, you need to also learn some more. Me, maybe I'm only you, maybe it's already in me. I don't know.
So àwọn kan náà
Continue.
wọ́n rí i ṣe bàbá tí mo ṣe tó frustrate mi dẹ̀ wọ́n pé wo identity mi lélẹ̀ ọmọ Yorùbá ni mi lè fi máa dá mi mọ̀ rèé.
Swagger.
Torí tẹ bá nígbà tí mo serve ní Anambra mo lọ gbá bọ́ọ̀lù lórí field ni ọmọ yẹn bá ní lefty don bro mo ní sọ pé ó sọ àṣefẹ́ ni pé referee don blow so L àti R ọlọ́mọ kan Chidera wọ́n máa ní Chidela Okolo Chidela ọmọ ẹ̀ kí lẹ́sàn my daddy is a lawyer so tí wọ́n nìyẹn ti wá lélẹ̀ èmi ò lè wá para mi.
Tí wọ́n
So,
nìyẹn, tí wà lélẹ̀.
ó ní nǹkan kan tí ẹ sọ tí mo fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ lé lórí ó ní pé nígbà tí mo sọ̀rọ̀ pa ìtàn tọ̀dọ̀ mi I was talking about how Yoruba language is a tonal language that if you do not speak it often it means you're not exercising your tone to it. It's like tẹ́ bá lọ sí gym tẹ́ ń gbé weight tẹ́ bá ń gbé for a while tẹ́ bá drop ẹ lọ for a very long time tẹ́ bá padà wá gbé muscle yín máa pariwo ẹ máa feel ẹ gan kò wá ní dàbí ẹni tẹ́ bá ń gbé 50 tẹ́lẹ̀ ẹ lè má lè press 50 mọ́ because exercise tongue yẹn ní pattern yẹn mọ́ so mo lọ́rẹ̀ kan náà ó ṣe linguistics ó ní 2-1 but tó bá sọ Yorùbá mo lè má sọ fún má bá yẹ sọ Yorùbá ọmọ dá mi lò ní English language sọ Yorùbá so the more you speak it the more your tone it doesn't mean that you don't know how to speak it you know how to speak it but it's that your tongue is not trained with it well. Do you understand? So once in a while to just continue practicing it more, just continue saying it more. Hold on. I like your success story. It's inspiring. Arábìnrin Olúwaṣemilóore, are you ready for us now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Like gonna see Mike ma.
Gbogbo Nigeria
Okay, so I just felt like as I'm getting older, I'm an adult that to learn it, be connected to that part of my culture and heritage. Okay. Then for the I mean, I think maybe graduating school has to be one of the recent achievements that I have had that I can call a triumph. Then setbacks. Okay, so in terms of learning Yoruba, I think one of the challenges I've had, just like the other lady echoed, was just that when you try and say something, if you don't get it right, people just automatically laugh. People don't take time to even try and correct before just like making jest. And I feel like there needs to be more of a culture of correction so that even if people are making a mistake, they can understand, okay, where did I make the mistake? How do I say it better? So that they can now learn. And I like what what one of the anchors was saying about that. You need to exercise your tone, you need to be practicing it. And that's kind of the issue I think I've had is like because I've heard it maybe through movies, maybe through family, maybe through being out and about. I've heard some words and I know the meanings in my head, but saying it out loud, now I might miss the tone because I've not practiced how to use the right intonation. So I think that's like one of my biggest challenges. Yeah.
So I mean, are you a Yoruba student? Did you study Yoruba in school?
No, I didn't study Yoruba in school, but I'm learning it now.
All right.
Okay.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful. I'm glad that you were able to pick something from what we were saying. Um, well done. Ekushe. 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 So it is I quite understand it. I think it's something we need to work on as society. This culture of laughing at people when they make mistakes. I'm just gonna say that irrespective of people laughing at you, just continue. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí nǹkan tí arábìnrin ìgbà yìí lóye sọ fún wa tí wọ́n ní mo ní arábìnrin má bínú tí ìyáàfin ìgbà yìí lóye sọ fún wa ni wípé
Ó
ẹni tí
dẹ̀
à ń
gbá
bá
nǹkan tó kọ́kọ́ sọ yẹn is arábìnrin o, is not
ẹ
ìyá. Mhm.
okay ẹ má bínú àti arábìnrin gbogbo àlá kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tí arábìnrin ìgbà yìí lóye sọ
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o.
ni pé ẹni tí à ń bá nájà la máa wò a kì í wo ariwo ọjà a ní wo ẹ̀rín ọjà a ní wo igbe ọjà ṣe nǹkan tó wà ń bẹ̀ ni pé bó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn. And I liked one thing you said about the fact that you wanted to tap into that part of your culture. You want to tap into your culture. And one thing that I want us to realize is that when we're learning Yoruba language, we're learning beyond the language. We're learning the culture. I think it's on my slides here. Okay, yeah, the tonal language, the three tones, high, mid, and low. And Yoruba language is so rich in oral tradition of poetry, proverbs, and storytelling. I forgot to write this. I want to see this in part of my my setbacks. Is that was why when I said when I wrote that I was quite proud of myself when I recorded my video, when I wrote the script and recorded it, because I'm a writer. I have this belief that anything I want to write, and no, this is belief, this message I had from childhood is that as long as it can be written,
Ṣé ẹ ṣì ń gbọ́ olùkọ́ lọ? Can you still hear him? No. But
No.
can you hear me?
Yes,
Okay.
I can.
Okay, probably
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, his network. So sorry about that. He will be back. And I don't know what he was trying to say, but I've just continued. But then, Olùkọ́ Mary, are you currently teaching anywhere? Ṣé ẹ̀ ń kọ́ èdè Yorùbá?
I do teach my sister's children. No, she traveled out, so her children are abroad. So she just asked me to teach them Yoruba because she does not have the time to teach them. So once in a while, we have the class whereby I teach them how to speak. But majorly, I'm not tutoring.
Doing it
Yeah.
as a call.
I want-
You're to do. So what do you do
Yeah.
for a living? Kí lẹ̀ ń ṣe? Iṣẹ́ wo lẹ̀ ń ṣe?
I am a customer success officer.
Customer success officer.
Mm.
Níbo ilé iṣẹ́ wo lẹ ti ń ṣiṣẹ́?
I work with Sterling Bank.
Sterling Bank. Ṣé ẹ ti gbìyànjú láti sọ fún wọn pé ṣán lè fi èdè Yorùbá sí, torí bí a ṣe wà yìí, adé tẹ́ dé adé ńlá ni o. Níbi tí mo wà yìí, àwọn ilé ìfowópamọ́sí kan wọ́n ń pè wọ́n ní Scotia Bank. Ẹ lè wò wọ́n lórí Google àbí Google lèmi máa ń pè wọ́n. Wọ́n fi èdè àwọn èèyàn, wọ́n fi kún iṣẹ́ tí wọ́n ń ṣe fún customer service wọn, wọ́n kọ síbẹ̀. So Yoruba language ó pẹ̀lú ara èdè tí wọ́n ní àwọn tó máa kọ́kọ́ bá àwọn oníbàárà wọn, tí wọ́n kọ́kọ́ bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀, wọ́n lè bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ ní èdè Yorùbá. Ẹ lè kọ ìwé sí wọn pé ṣó ṣeé ṣe kí wọ́n fi èdè abínibí kún bí wọ́n ṣe ń bá àwọn oníbàárà wọn lò, like experience to enhance client experience some more. You can think it through.
Oh yeah.
Ben, you can think it through. So, Olúwaṣemílóore, ẹ sọ wípé ẹ̀yin kàn lẹ́nu Yorùbá fún mímọ̀ ni. Ṣé rí, lára àwọn ìdí tí èmi fi wò wípé ó dáa kí a mọ èdè wa, ó dáa kí a mọ àṣà wa ni wípé àwọn òbí wa, gbogbo wa tá à ń sọ̀rọ̀ mi báyìí, àwọn parents wa, wọ́n lè sọ Yorùbá àbí? Wọ́n lè sọ dáadáa. Ìyẹn sure, right? Olúwaṣemílóore, can you testify?
Yeah.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
Yes, she can.
Thank you. Ṣùgbọ́n àwa wá ń tiraka, kì í ṣẹjọ́ wa náà o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kì í ṣẹjọ́ wa. Torí tá bá wo ní ayé ìgbà àwọn òbí wa yẹn, ìgbà táwọn lọ sílé ẹ̀kọ́, púpọ̀ nínú àwọn olùkọ́ wọn, bóyá wọ́n ń ṣiṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ àbí wọ́n ń ṣiṣẹ́ aṣọ rírán àbí oríṣiríṣi nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn kò dá ọ̀làjú ò tí ì dé bí àwa ṣe ń experience civilization báyìí civilization ni wọ́n ń pè ní ọ̀làjú àwa ò tí ì rí àwọn ní àǹfààní tó pọ̀ láti lè lo èdè wọ́n rí gan ni a lè sọ pé wọ́n rí èdè ká tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ mò ń sọ nípa bí ìgbà táwa bímọ pé ṣé a lè mú oríṣiríṣi nǹkan táwọn òbí wa tó fi sọ wá lórúkọ ṣá lè lò ní táwa bá fẹ́ sọmọ tiwa lórúkọ a lè lò mọ́ ó ti dàbí èèwọ̀ like I don't like that like do you mean kola nut at my church name me what would that do I cast it out in Jesus name amen I also casted it out too I casted it out but then it's just the belief it's the mindset of the people the people that say no let's use this as our own symbol to pray for a new child so what are the things around us that are good okay honey oyin máa ń sweet ni ẹ jẹ́ ká fi gbàdúrà fún ọmọ ẹ jẹ́ ká fi oyin yìí ká fi gbàdúrà fún ọmọ wa ṣàlàyé mi yé wa so if for any other reason that okay so why should I learn this language or why should I know about my culture you don't have to have so much words in your Yoruba bank èmi gan tí mo jẹ́ olùkọ́ gan mi náà ṣe ń kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ sí because bí èdè Yorùbá ṣe èdè gùn kì í ṣe èdè Yorùbá nìkan language is so deep I am still looking for that one person that knows everything about his or her language like everything the grammatical aspect the literary aspect the religious aspect I am looking for that person tabara ẹni tó ní ìmọ̀ gidi nínú àṣà ẹni yẹn lè má ní ìmọ̀ gidi nínú ẹ̀sìn tẹ́ni yẹn bá ní ìmọ̀ tó jinlẹ̀ nínú ẹ̀sìn ẹni yẹn lè má ní ìmọ̀ tó jinlẹ̀ nínú gírámà bí ọ̀rọ̀ kan ṣe ń di kejì tó fi fún wa ní ọ̀rọ̀ míì ṣàlàyé mi yé wa so no one is an island of this Yoruba language knowledge and whatever it is that you can learn or you can pick as we are growing is what we will now pass down to our own children ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ kọ́kọ́ fún wa bí àwa ṣe wà níbi àwa àgbàlagbà àwọn ọmọ bíi 10 15 11 àwọn náà wà ní kíláàsì wọn báyìí tí wọ́n ń ṣe táwọn náà ń kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ṣé mo kọ́ tí mo wá rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wípé àwọn ń sọ èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì ju àwa lọ torí pé wọn ò mọ̀ wọn ò gbọ́ ìdí rèé tí a máa gbìyànjú so sista Olúwaṣemílóore sista Mary sista Bello olùkọ́ṣẹ́ ti padà dé ìgbà tí mo rí pẹ̀sì dé mo ní kí n tẹ̀síwájú tẹ́ bá ti dé màá dánu dúró.
Audio mi mọ tó ṣe ẹ̀rọ tí mo ń lò ó ń gbóná so wá kú so fóònù mi gbà sí báyìí.
Ó ń gbóná kú ó ga o ó dà kò sí ìyọnu ìyẹn túmọ̀ sí pé ẹ ní lè fi àwòrán yín hàn wá àbí.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni màá bọ́ mo send link yẹn sí
ibo lẹ fi sí.
mo send sí lórí WhatsApp yẹn.
ó ṣeéṣe kí n má lè fi hàn torí wípé ẹ̀kọ́ mi ń lọ lọ́wọ́ lórí ibi tẹ́lẹ̀ fi sí yẹn ẹ̀kọ́ mi ń lọ lọ́wọ́ níbẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n kí a má fi àkókò wa ṣòfò ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀síwájú ẹ kàn lè fẹnu sọ àwọn máa bá yín a máa fi ọkàn bá yín lọ àwa ibi tá a bá fi ọ̀rọ̀ tì sí lónìí à á gbé ní oṣù tó ń bọ̀ torí oṣooṣù la fẹ́ máa ṣe ìpàdé yìí lónìí báyìí mo ti kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ méjì láti ọ̀dọ̀ arábìnrin Olúwaṣemílóore àti arábìnrin Mary ẹ tẹ̀síwájú mà sà.
All right. I was actually share I prepared a game that we could have played, a word puzzle in Yoruba that we're just going to find. But I don't want to share. So as I was saying before the whole interruption, I was talking about how as long as in your only costly, it may not only costly. And it really helped me by the years. Anything in English language, is it screenplay, blog post, video script? What you call? Ma?
Mo ń gbọ́ yín, à ń gbọ́ yín sà.
Kílẹ̀ sọ ma?
Ẹ tẹ̀síwájú, à ń gbọ́ yín.
Kílẹ̀ sọ ma?
Mi ì sọ kankan, ẹ tẹ̀síwájú, à ń gbọ́ yín.
So ṣùgbọ́n nígbà tí mo rí pé mo fẹ́ kọ èdè Yorùbá sílẹ̀, ibẹ̀ mo ti rí pé wàhálà wà. Tí wọ́n bá ní kí n kọ sílẹ̀ mo lè kọ. Alright. Tí wọ́n bá ní kí n kọ sílẹ̀ mo lè kọ, ṣùgbọ́n ká kọ creatively. Ní pé mo fẹ́ kọ ewì lédè Yorùbá. Mo jókòó síwájú pépà mi láti àárọ̀ di ìrọ̀lẹ́, mi ò rí nǹkan kan kọ. Ọjọ́ kejì mo gbìyànjú, ọjọ́ kẹta mo gbìyànjú, mo wá ní then pé mo sáré pé okay, iṣẹ́ wà tí mo ní láti ṣe. Mo ní láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí lọ máa wá àwọn ìwé Yorùbá tí mo ti kà tẹ́lẹ̀, mo wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí lọ máa tún wọn kà. I started to feed my mind with those words. So mo ṣe ń wá ìwé sí tí bá ń rí sí mo kàn fún máa mú tí a máa kà lọ. So ibi tí mo ń bọ̀ ni pé nígbà tí mo wá kọ video script méjì purely Yorùbá, inú mi dùn, orí mi wú pé òun nìyẹn. Then ohun tí mo wá sọ nípa pé èdè Yorùbá nìkan kọ́ là ń kọ́, à ń kọ́ àṣà yẹn náà ni wípé fún àpẹẹrẹ tí bá ń kọ́ àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi ní ìkíni, mo máa sọ fún wọn ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá tí a bá ń kíyàn, obìnrin máa kúnlẹ̀ ni, ọkùnrin máa dọ̀bálẹ̀. Èmi ò mọ bó ṣe wà distinct sí tó jẹ́ ti wa àmì ìdánimọ̀ tiwa gẹ́gẹ́ bí Yorùbá. Ìgbà tí mo lọ ṣe àgùnbánirọ̀ ní ìpínlẹ̀ Anambra, I went to serve in Anambra State, and àwọn ọmọ máa kí ń láàárọ̀ wá ní good morning sir, ọmọ àkànná wọn sókè good morning sir. Ẹ̀yin ò ní tẹríba níbà ẹni. It felt so, and there were some people that bó bá ṣe ń rí wa, they be like àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá, these Yorùbá people like off down. You can only pay people can greet. Mo kọjá lọ ra nǹkan, good afternoon ma, mo ń padà bọ̀, good afternoon. Náà èdè ìgbà tí mo fi ń kí wọn, ìwọ̀n culture mi sì ń jáde.
Mo ti lè fi hàn báyìí ó ṣẹ́ tí rí.
Àwọn nǹkan èdè nìkan kọ́ là ń kọ́ àṣà náà. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo sọ nípa yẹn pé nígbà tẹ̀sán ọ̀dọ́ ni pé God forbid my enemy, ọ̀tá mi kíní kan, ó pẹ̀lú àwọn àṣà wa. Ó ní fídíò kan tí mo wò náà ní orí ayélujára tí mo rí tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àṣà àti ìṣe, ní pé àṣà ó wà nílẹ̀ báyìí, àwa àṣà, then tradition, ìṣe, àwa mú lò. So there's a lot to learn beyond language. And yeah, once again, I say a couple because I will not lie, I actually enjoyed Ben Mutirima. I actually enjoyed today's conversation, and I just know that the coming months is going to be much more awesome than this.
Yes.
All right, so this is the word puzzle game that I prepared. So there are some words here of objects that we can find in the house: window, chair. Well, there is internet also. There is cap.
Okay.
Just a few.
Okay.
Then house. Now don't mind it.
Ibo ni ká fi dáhùn sí. Lórí chat.
Ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ bá ti rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ bá in the chat. Ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ bá ti rí. Now the rule is that when you see a word, you tell us the meaning in English language, then you use it in a sentence.
Okay. Oh yeah, let's go.
All right.
Ẹ̀bùn, ẹ jẹ́ ká fún ẹni tó bá fún wa ní ìdáhùn bíi mẹ́ta, bóyá ká fún ẹni ẹ̀bẹ̀ ní ẹ̀bùn 5,000. Oh yeah.
Okay. Arábìnrin Olúwaṣemilóye, arábìnrin Olútókẹ́.
Yeah. Èmi ti rọ́rọ̀ kan báyìí o, mo ti rí méjì.
Ṣé mi náà lè sọ ní kí n gbẹ̀bùn yẹn ni?
Olùkọ́ yín lẹ prepare slide.
Okay.
Is it aga?
Okay.
Aga.
Yes.
Okay.
So the meaning in English is chair.
Okay.
So I should use the Yoruba word in a sentence, Abi?
Yes. In a sentence.
Okay. Agamini.
Agamini. Okay.
Agamini.
Ẹ gbìyànjú gan ni. Ẹ fún wa lọ́rọ̀ méjì sí, ẹyọ kan yẹn kéré. Ẹ wò sàlẹ̀ dáadáa, ẹ wò dáadáa.
Okay, Ife. That's cup.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, wọ́n ti mú ife wá.
Okay.
Ó kẹyọ̀ kan, ó ń tán lọ o. Àkókò yín lọ o.
Hey God. Okay, ilé.
Okay.
Ilé, that's house. So
Yeah.
ah, ilé wọn leléyìí.
Ah, wọ́n ti jẹ̀bú o, wọ́n ti jẹgbẹ̀rún márùn-ún o. I am loving this game. Okay.
All right. Well done, ẹ kú iṣẹ́, ẹ káre. Arábìnrin Olútókẹ́, àṣìláwọn ọ̀rọ̀ mìíràn bí báyìí.
Olùkọ́ mà lolú tó kẹ̀.
Mo ń kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ ni o. The thing is, I have a knowledge of Yoruba, but Yoruba mi ò tí dán mọ́rán, which is what I'm trying to work on.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Just try. Just give it a try. So okay, let me give you a bone here. Is that you don't have to like if any word here. You don't have to like any word you see. You don't have to confirm is the two mark is correct. For example, now there is aga, there is rere aga there, but you don't worry. Just if it just makes the word, just say it. We'll tell you. We'll correct it, and let's work with that. All right.
Okay. I can see Ibusun, which
Okay.
is bed.
Fine.
Mo ti tẹ́ ibùsùn mi.
Good.
Okay. Ó kù méjì.
Okay. I can see ayélujára.
Ẹ wá ní ẹ ṣe ń kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ni.
Nísìnyí too, èmi náà ti rí ayélujára, ó yẹ lò ó.
Ìwọ àlẹ́ ní ò sí nǹkan.
Àti lóyìí gan. I'm even trying to remember the meaning.
Okay.
Ayélujára is that a computer or a phone? I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it's internet also. One of those.
Yes, it's
Call
internet.
it internet. Yes.
Okay.
Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ jẹ́ kí n sáré kọ́ wa lẹ́kọ̀ọ́.
Okay.
Ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n kan sọ fún mi wípé ẹ jẹ́ ká mú ilẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ̀kọ́ àmúrelé. Ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n Bísí Ògúnṣínà ó pe íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì ní ìtàkùn àgbáyé. Ìtàkùn àgbáyé. Ẹ jẹ́ ká mú ilẹ̀ lélẹ̀.
World Wide Web. Àti pé ayélujára yẹn ṣe pé ní èdè òyìnbó ní internet so ayélujára.
Ara wọn.
Like ó jára wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. All right, in a sentence.
Ó pẹ̀ yọkan owó tí ṣe tán.
Ẹ̀yàn kọ́ sọ ní kọ́ tẹ̀ fún wa ní ẹ̀ ní sentence náà kárí.
Okay. Mo ń lo ayélujára.
Okay. Nice one. Ó kọ ẹ̀kọ́.
Mo rí.
Ó ní kan tí mo tẹ̀ ń rí tó ń wò mí náà ń wò ó ń wò mí mo tó tójú mo tó kàn pé mo rí ẹ.
Mo ń bọ̀ o.
Ó wò yẹn náà wò báyìí, àkókò wa ti lọ o.
Fìlà.
Àfìgbà tẹ́ ẹ rí fìlà yẹn. Àfìgbà tẹ́ ẹ rí fìlà yẹn.
Which means cap.
Okay.
Mo ra fìlà funfun.
Ó ṣe. Mo ra fìlà funfun. So, olùkọ́, àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ lónìí o. Ẹ ṣeun.
Ó tún lọ́rọ̀ kan tí èmi tẹ̀ rí. Ìtẹ́. Throne. Ibi tí a máa ti kádìrè lónìí. Mo sì lérò wípé ẹ gbádùn ohun tá a ṣe lónìí gẹ́gẹ́ bí èmi tiẹ̀ ṣe gbá èmi mọ̀ kí mo gbádùn ara mi and I look forward to more. I look forward to the coming month, the next
Yeah.
month.
Yeah,
And
doing it next month.
next month we're having another activity. It might be Yoruba folk songs, it can be discussions also on culture, traditions, or language itself. And this is just a wake-up call for us. Yeah. So let me just add this is that there was something that arábìnrin Bailey tí wọ́n sọ that she said ìwọ náà ṣe when you talk about ẹni dùn like I said mo ní pé ẹni dùn wakọ̀ ẹni dùn kinní kan and also ìwọ náà ṣe náà actually àwa náà lè ṣe when I was in school I had one particular issue that I felt like we could work on more, and that was the fact that whenever we have an assignment, my friends have an assignment on my ayélujára internet, on my research, on my copy and paste, on my college everywhere. Wọ́n máa ní kí n sọ okay mo lọ sí ilé ẹ̀kọ́ gíga Ọlábísí Ọ̀nàbànjọ University tó wà ní Àgọ́ Ìwòye. Wọ́n fún wa ní iṣẹ́ àmúrelé kan nígbà mọ̀ 100 level tó ní bí ká sọ orúkọ baálẹ̀ mẹ́jọ àbí mẹ́sàn-án tí ó wà ní ìlú Àgọ́ Ìwòye. Èmi ò tiẹ̀ mọ̀ pé wọ́n ní baálẹ̀ nílùú Àgọ́ Ìwòye. Mo lọ sórí internet, ibẹ̀ ni first wake up comment mọ̀ pé you are on your own. So there is not enough information of Yoruba language and culture on the internet, and I feel like this is a wake up call for us. We're improving. I can see that. I was telling someone that the reason why there is still a setback in Yoruba language on the AI platform is the fact that people creating AI, they train them on data. How many data concerning Yoruba language and culture do we have on the internet? Right? So let's do this. It might not even be blog, it can be videos, it can be writings, so the more you practice, you can even document your learning journey. That would also motivate another person to learn, right? So in that way, you are helping yourself, you are helping another person. But today was awesome. Do you have let's just before we just close, let's just end with this. Just tell me, what is your takeaway from today's session? Arábìnrin Olúwaṣemílóore, arábìnrin Olútókẹ́.
Okay, good evening.
Okay,
I think the thing I just took away from be informal, it can be fun. It doesn't always have to be, just exactly what we've learned in class, because even just listening to you speak, I'm realizing that okay, I'm understanding more than what I even thought I could understand. So that's what I've learned.
all right, that's good. That's good. Learning can be fun too, actually. Appreciate. Arábìnrin Olútókẹ́.
Okay, one thing I learned is when you mentioned that Yoruba is a tonal language, right? And the more we speak, the more we get better at it. And I think that's my take home from this, that I have to be more intentional about speaking if I want to sound better.
Yes, intentionality.
Yeah. Thank
Well
you.
done.
Thank
Well
you.
done.
So will you bring your friend next week, next month? Ṣé màmá àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ yín wá?
I will speak to them. I'll see.
Yeah.
Good. I'm expecting like 20 people from you.
Yes. So let's do this. Let's build this. Thank you. Please share your account number with how did you get to know about this club anyways? How did you get to know about it?
Okay, I think I was checking on LinkedIn for like Yoruba teachers or Yoruba tutors. I just check, and I ended up, I think I saw somebody, or I saw a platform. I think I saw the LinkedIn profile of this organization or something. So I now checked their website and I signed up. That's how I found it.
Oh wow.
That's good.
We're glad you did.
Thank you. Tell me, Mary, how did you get to know about this club?
Yes, also LinkedIn. I saw it on LinkedIn.
LinkedIn, here we come. We have not been intentional this year. We are playing. So can you imagine? It's LinkedIn people that came here today. Oh. Even the Instagram that we are shouting, they did not come.
I know, right? I know, right?
That's another lesson. It's okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming. Thank you. So we hope to see you next month. Next month, like our coach has said, we are going to learn a lot and it can be something different from what we so that you're not blank. Wait, I will know how to answer that word. I can't go buy my glasses. No, another strategy that might be. Thank you so much. So please share your account number. Let's say thank you for, you have not sent. Please put it in the chat. You can put it in the chat. For responding to the question and you get it. Like, you really tried. Olùkọ́ tó ti rí ayélujára yẹn, mi ò rí ayélujára yẹn. Báwo lọ ṣe rí? Where is it?
Last minute, mo visited the man didn't take office.
This. Oh, mo ti rí. I've seen it. Yeah, it's thought towards the end. Yeah, I've seen it. Thank you. Yeah. So at the parí let me stop recording this.
Ìwé máa sọ ní orí rédíò ṣe wá ní tó ọ̀rọ̀
No,
náà ní
ó yẹ bá wa parí ẹ̀ dáadáa olùkọ́.
pàdé wa bí oyin kọ́nà kàpàdé wa ní oṣù tó ń bọ̀ ó dìgbà dídàbọ̀
tọ̀dọ̀ tèmi máa sọ wípé ọ̀bẹ ní bẹ́ṣu àtẹ́lẹsẹ̀ ní bẹ́ẹ̀nà wò ìtókù tó máa sọ yẹn mi ò ní sọ torí mi ò rẹ́ni tó rọrùn kan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn sí mi ìpàdé wa bí oyin a ó tún máa ríra ní oṣù tó ń bọ̀ ẹ bá wa sọ fún Alára ẹ sọ fún Ajérò ẹ sọ fún Ọ̀rọ̀gún Ilé Ìlá wípé ẹ̀kọ́ èdè àṣà ní ilé ẹ̀kọ́ àkọlé Yorùbá ẹgbẹ́ èdè àṣà ní ilé ẹ̀kọ́ àkọlé Yorùbá ó ti balẹ̀ bíbá níbi tí a ti máa kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ oríṣiríṣi nípa èdè àti àṣà Yorùbá ní ọ̀nà tó what is fún ọ ní Yorùbá báyìí ní ọ̀nà tó dùn ní ọ̀nà tó dùn tó lóòrè. Yeah, thank you everyone. It's just 1 hour. I'm sorry we our time today. Yeah. So yes, I see your account number already. That's Mary. Let's have for what's her name again? What's her name? Oluwashemilore. Yeah. Let me just take a picture. Yeah. So we'll see you next month. Next month again. We have to invite our friends too because come and let Yoruba all this one that before and there's no judgment space. Yeah, no judgment space. Oluwashemilore, drop it now. You don't want to. Oh, Oluwashem, you have seen it. Omotayo Eshegon. See your Yoruba. This is good. This is good. This is good. Thank you. You will get it. You get your gift. Yeah, you will get it. Might not be right now, but you will get it and you will see me from Akoyede the Yoruba. And please, you feel free to tell your friends about this club. Tell them what you learn. The connection. So what do you do? Okay, we have learned about what Mary is doing. She says she's a customer service associate. What about you, Oluwashemilore? What do you do?
Okay, I'm a social media manager.
Yeah, social media manager. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Okay. Let's leave it at that. Thank you. Have a good one. So from here, we'll say Odigba. Bye. Olùkọ́ Ìfẹ́ Olúwa, you are still in class, Abi. Well done. Bye. So if I see you tomorrow now, Mary and Oluwashemilore, I can't even recognize you because I did not even see your face. See my life in the party. Maybe you are on a visit to Canada, or US. Let me pay attention to this picture. Oluwashemilore. It's not working. If you come next month, come camera ready. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye. Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Olùkọ́ Enitan, are you still here?
Benma.
Well done.
It's actually gone.
How was it for you? You are doing it. You are doing. Continue. February, March.
Very nice.
We cannot break this line. Tell me.
It was nice. I actually enjoyed myself. I enjoyed myself. It was fun.
Yeah.
And I learned something. I learned some things too.
Yeah. Just fun. I like the fact that they're a bit engaging, even though they at first were like, oh,
Of
okay.
course,
But the approach to it makes it more relatable, right? Plus the idea I also, of course, the more you do something, the more you gain clarity. Then the more you do it better, the more you find other ways. Like it's going to be a very big one. We actually started, like I said, then, but with the children, we not include adults. And
okay.
yeah, it is from one big post to see Femi, so one toro, from one toro to another toro to the next toro, and then we'll have big toro and we have a river. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for agreeing to do this. I know that you're like, kilo feshi, like you're a bit confused.
Just like the rain because I was wondering because I didn't want to just enter. Then, but it's a life for me. Damn, no, it's a life for me, but it was not really more. Sure. Let me just introduce.
Simplify.
Introduce at normal learning. So I had to like just create something.
The slide gives it more more organized and more focused. Yeah. I love what you the way you're supposed to be telling about our bitatiwa. It's okay. Thank you.
Wow.
Of course, that's why I'm in life is to learn. I'm gonna ask my MMA. He send me send our voice note. But if I be one, but me and my daddy, I just call me yet late. So
Okay.
yeah, everybody will be fine last. All right, have a good one.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
What about?
And the call.